elves live in the mysterious magic forest. The kitten elves are happily playing on trampoline and having delicious food in the forest. Let's take care of kitten elves. Wow! Kitten elves are born. Let's feed them. The first day for taking care of kitten elves. You can get rewards by taking care of kitten elves every day. The kitten elves want to play with more friends. Let's get a few more kitten elves with the breeding machine. Wow! The kitten elf is giving you a gift. Those kitten elves love you. Please come and look after them every day. The elf gems are not enough. Let's open the treasure chest to get elf gems. Tap the screen and help the kitten elf jump onto the box. You've got so many keys. Let's open the treasure chest. There aren't enough keys. Let's play with other kitten elves.